Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell Bitcoin in your blockchain wallet. First, securely log into your blockchain wallet account. Once logged in, locate the sell or trade option, usually found on the main dashboard or in the navigation menu. It's important to ensure your identity verification is fully completed, as this is a necessary step for processing any sales transactions. This process helps maintain security and compliance for all users. Next, you'll need to specify the details of your sale. Choose Bitcoin from your list of available cryptocurrencies. Then, enter the exact amount of Bitcoin you wish to sell. You can often choose to sell a specific amount of Bitcoin or a specific fiat currency value. Before confirming, carefully review the displayed exchange rate and any associated transaction fees to understand the total proceeds. After reviewing the details, confirm your sale. You'll usually see a summary of the transaction, including the amount of Bitcoin being sold and the fiat currency you will receive. Select your preferred withdrawal method, which is often a linked bank account. The funds will then be processed and transferred to your chosen account, usually within a few business days, depending on your bank and region. When selling Bitcoin, always be mindful of market volatility, as prices can change rapidly. It's also crucial to understand all applicable transaction fees and any daily or weekly selling limits that may apply to your account. Finally, always prioritize your account security by enabling two-factor authentication and using strong, unique passwords to protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.